Hey, how you doing, Garage Door Mike? We're going to show you a blasted extension spring. That thing broke the wood. There's a piece of metal it's attached to. There's the other half of the wood that's split. Excuse me. What happened here obviously is the cable went bye-bye. So I'm going to have to undo all that and get that all undone. See if the camera will adjust here. There's the other whopper spring. And you can see how they got this one attached. It's like that. But there's a juicy one. I gotta rebuild this first with an angle and then get the come along out and come along this thing up, because there's no way I'm lifting this door. This thing's ancient artifact, 3,000 pound door, but we'll get it fixed. This will be part one, innovative broken extension spring slash cable that destroyed the hang service call. So that's that. Thanks for watching part one. Part two, I'll show you how we all get it done. Thanks for watching. As always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Talk to you on the next one.